In this quick guide, you'll learn how to rotate a text box in Adobe Acrobat. Whether you're working on a PDF for a presentation, a report, or just tweaking a document for clarity, rotating a text box can be a handy skill to have. Let's dive right in and make sure you have all the tools you need to handle this task with ease. First things first, you need to select the text box you want to rotate. This is the starting point for making any modifications. Simply click on the text box and you'll notice a bounding box appearing around it. This is a visual cue that your text box is now selected and ready for editing. The bounding box features 8 small square handles at its corners and midpoints. These handles are your key to resizing and transforming the text box. Now, let's locate the rotation icon. This is the magic tool that allows you to turn your text box in the direction you need. Keep an eye out for a small circular arrow, which is the rotation handle. You'll usually find it just above the center top handle of the bounding box. This little icon is what's going to allow you to give your text box a spin. So make sure you've got it in your sights. Once you've found the rotation handle, it's time to put it to use. Let's suppose click on this circular arrow and you'll engage the rotation feature. With your mouse clicked, move it in a circular motion. You'll see the text box begin to rotate around its center point. It's a smooth and intuitive process, giving you the freedom to adjust the angle to your liking. Whether you need a slight tilt or a full 180-degree turn, just keep dragging until it looks right to you. And there you have it. You've successfully rotated your text box in Adobe Acrobat. Remember the keys to get comfortable with selecting the right handles and using that rotation icon effectively. With a little practice, you'll be able to adjust text boxes in your PDFs like a pro, ensuring your documents are as polished and professional as possible. If you find yourself frequently working with PDFs, mastering these tools can greatly enhance your workflow. Rotating text boxes is just one of many ways to customize your documents, and knowing how to do it efficiently can save you time and effort. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't hesitate to revisit this guide if you need a refresher or share it with others who might benefit from learning this technique. Thanks for watching and happy editing.